Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces sa araw na ito, okay? So gamitin natin itong tarot cards para alamin natin kung ano magiging gabay, advices, mensahe ng tarot cards for Pisces sa araw na ito or mga posibleng mangyari kay Pisces sa araw na ito, okay? Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo. Pwede pong hindi. Okay? And this is a timeless reading, Pisces. So, kahit anong araw, buwan, o taon mo ito napanood. Ang ating daily reading ay always pong timeless. So, basta mag-resonate po sa sitwasyon nyo habang nakita or pinapanood itong video na ito. Take nyo lang po kung mag-resonate. Pag hindi, wag po nating ipilit. Okay? And ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood, and yung mga taong dinidin nyo po, basta mag-resonate again, take lang, pag hindi, wag po natin ipilit. So, ano po ang mensahe for Pisces sa araw na ito? Okay, so there's a 4 of Wands and 9 of Pentacles. Wow! Celebration, especially marriage and money, abundance, fruitful, okay? Nakikita nyo, Pisces, this card represents here as something na, alam mo yun, yung parang kasiyahan, abundance of happiness, and also meron pa tayo ditong 9 of Pentacles, which is abundance in money, abundance in parang mga bagay na gustong makuha, especially in material, okay? Kasi kitang-kita nyo, meron tayo dito maraming pera, maraming coin, and meron pa siyang mga ubas, okay? And hawak kamay niya yung ibon. So, ang ibon na to represent something as pangarap, yung mga minamanifest mo, okay? So, ito yun. Ito yung parang energy mo, Pisces, or something na ito yung inaasam-asam mo. Eh, nakikita nyo, meron parang bahay dito. And yung parang bahay, parang tower is parehong-pareho dito. Okay? So, wow, punong-puno ng kasiyahan, punong-puno ng celebration, punong-puno ng pagmamahal, happiness, okay? Full of happiness, especially in financial and pwede ding sa love, okay? Kasi para din siyang kasal, para siyang birthday, okay? Para siyang, alam mo yun, salo-salo. There's a party, okay? So, kuha pa tayo ng mga mensahe po for Pisces sa araw na ito. Ano po ang mensahe niyo po for Pisces? The Fool, there is a new beginning, Pisces. There's a new chapter. There's a new opportunity. There's a new path na pagdadaanan mo. Okay? And, okay. So, Queen of Cups, 10 of Swords, and 8 of Swords. Okay, so, pababa itong swords na nandito. And, actually, it's a good thing. Okay? Medyo hindi nga lang ganun kagandahan. Pero, parang parang nagiging better din siya. Pasensya na po kung meron po kayo naririnig na background noises po, okay? So, this is you, Pisces. You're more focused on mga bagay, mga sitwasyon na, alam mo yun, yung parang minamanifest mo or binibigyan mo ng effort, binibigyan mo ng time, okay? You're more focused on your goal, pwede. You're more focused on yourself, you're more focused on your bigla akong narinig yung word na self-worth, okay? Kasi ang dami mong pinagdaanan, Pisces. There's a betrayal and there's something na anxiety or parang takot. Okay? Natatakot ka, Pisces, kasi kung ano man tong nangyari dito, sobra kang nasaktan. There's a betrayal. Okay? And parang feeling mo nakagapos ka, you're not happy of what happened. Okay? Pero merong darating sa'yo which is dito sa itaas natin dito. 4 of Wands, 9 of Pentacles, and the Fool. There is something na darating for you, Pisces, na magiging masaya ka din. Okay? Hindi pareho nito. Hindi pareho nito. Okay? Bottom of the deck is 2 of Pentacles. You have to make a choice, Pisces. You have to make a choice of something. Okay? Within yourself, within the decision. Kasi kung ano man yung decision na gagawin mo, there's always a consequences of it. There's a coin right here na ang katumbas na is malaking barko, and merong coin right here also na merong katumbas na bangka. Okay, so it's up to you pa rin, Pisces, on how you deal, on how to decide about this situation. Okay, kasi sa reading natin ngayon, merong sobrang gandang sitwasyon, and meron namang medyo alam mo yun, nakakasakit, alam mo yun, yung parang nasasaktan ka. So, it's up to you, Pisces, on how to deal with the situation and also, ano yung decision mo. Okay? Ano yung landas na gusto mong tahakin. Okay? So, clarify nga natin itong si Ten of Swords. Clarify natin ano po ang clarifications with this Ten of Swords. This is connected by King of Swords. Ito yung gumawa sa'yo nito, Pisces. There is a betrayal with this person. And this person is medyo, alam yun, yung parang, medyo hard-hearted, okay? Yung parang, stubborn, pwede din. And, kitang-kita nyo meron siyang hawak na sword dito, and may mga nakatusok na sword dito. Okay? So, it's either siya lahat gumawa nito, he is the main reason kung bakit sobra kang nasaktan, okay? Or isa siya sa mga nakasakit sa'yo. Okay? So, ano po yung clarifications for this Eight of Swords? Justice. She will get karma. Okay? Kung ano yung ginawa sa'yo, babalik sa kanya, Pisces. Okay? Huwag kang mag-alala. Or something na parang, pero huwag mong hintayin na mangyari yun. Huwag kang, alam mo yun, sumubaybay sa kung anong ginagawa niya and hintayin yung karma. Hindi ganun. You have to more focus on yourself. You have to focus on your life. To progress in your life. Okay? Kung ano man yung ginawa niya sa'yo, you are divinely protected, Pisces. Ang Panginoon, ang universe na bahala sa kanya. Okay? So, ngayon, kailangan mo lang is to focus again on yourself, kasi meron pang mga magagandang bagay na darating sa'yo, and there's a new beginning, there's a new path na naghihintay sa'yo, Pisces. Just keep moving, okay? Just keep swimming, Pisces. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po yung mga konektado sa reading natin ngayon. Okay. So, meron itong connection sa kamag-anak. Pwedeng kamag-anak mo to. Okay? May dimple, mabait, trabaho, pangarap. Okay? Meron pangarap, Pisces. Kakilala mula sa malayo. Matangos ang ilong, visa, okay? So, pwedeng abroad to, or pwedeng pupunta ka sa abroad, katrabaho. Yes, there's a trabaho and katrabaho, Pisces, and there's a social media. Ang initials are letter R, U, M, letter K, ayan. Meron pa tayo dito, letter Z, letter V, letter D, and then there's payat, okay, and matangkad. And also there's a panaginip. Okay? So, yun lang po, Pisces, ang ating reading sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless.